All right, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. In today's video, we're going to talk about the trades of the day here with the Trading123 AlgoBot. It's Friday, August 9th, 2024. We're trading the NQ and ES today. And the volatility is still a little high. The VIX is up near 23, which anything over 20 is, extreme volatility. So we're only trading two contracts. You can check the VIX chart by going to Yahoo Finance and just typing in VIX, like under the stock quotes, and it'll tell you what the days. It'll show you today's chart. I don't have no indicator for it. I just look and see what the VIX is in the morning or in the evening. So here's our first trade on the NQ, two contracts. We're going with a 680 gold today, 440 loss, two contracts. And we let the bot do its thing. It rides the uptrend here. 1, 2 up. And then 1, 2 down. And in 5 minutes of trading or less, let's see, we started at 9:32, got done at 9:34, 2 minutes and 30 seconds or so. We got our 692 profit. So goal hit. Way to start the day. So here's our second trade. And this one, we got the same goal, but we made a little more on slippage, 720. Still trading two contracts here. No need to trade 5 or 10. 2 will work in this volatility and less risk to put on. And with our software, you get a lot of education of how the market works and how price patterns work and how price moves from one level to the next. And that's exactly what happened here. We go up, we get a long, and then downtrend starts again. And we catch 2 legs down with our trend filter. And it keeps us out of these, well, they were nice moves up and down, but this one was a little one, so you probably would have got stopped. So, this is a pattern that repeats often, and we have a name for it. And once you learn this pattern, like I said, it repeats. And trading's all about riding the waves up and down, and that's what we did here. The bot did it all. Just, let it do its thing. Don't try to out-trade the bot, because the bot will out-trade you every day. Imagine if you would have went long here and then you moved your stop and it went all the way down here. You got $300-400 loss, and then you missed this long, and then you were chicken to take this short, and you're still in the hole, basically. And here's our third trade with the bot. Still trading two contracts with the NQ, and we hit our goal to the penny, 680. And the bot's doing his thing once again, riding the waves up and down. Uptrend, uptrend. Didn't take this short here. Our filter is keeping you out of this little trade here, which probably would have, got stopped out by 100 or so. So we only did 4 trades today on the NQ for $2,700, and we had 3 ES trades for about $1,700. So over $4,100 in gains trading 2 contracts. We also traded 2 in the ES. And here's strategy performance for this trade. I did have a small loss of $4, but we can live with that. Get you a taco now at Taco Bell. Remember in 1980, tacos were what, 25 cents? Now they're $4. So largest winning trade, 255. We'll take that. And here's our first ES trade. And like I said in the opening range breakout strategy video, which you should watch after this one, the market leaves footprints here, and if you look at the chart, it's telling you something. And you can see that the market's trending down and weakness. And so we start the bot here, and there's news coming out at 10, and we got out just before the news because I didn't want to get whipsawed. So it took a short, a long, and then another short, and we got 575 on it. So you never want to be in the market when the news is coming out at 10 o'clock. And these moves here were probably, due to the news, this up move. Otherwise, probably would have kept going lower. And then this is our last trade in the NQ here. And this was a very quick trade that caught the shorts. And if you know how to read a chart, you know why. Trading's all about support and resistance, highs and lows. And bot gets long here on the 2 contracts and got out here, and then it got out here. Now this is a very fast market, so I just did wait. The trail stop's going perfectly, but we just decided to exit here because it was going into a resistance level. So we got our 620, a little shy of our 680 goal, but we'll take it, and we called it a day on the NQ. No need to over trade, as we had 4 trades in a row for 2,700 bucks. Can't beat that on a Friday. And there's a strategy performance for the trade. Largest winning trade, 585 on that runner we got. Gotta love that. I mean, this thing just took off like a rocket. Look, this trade lasted less than a minute. Gets long at 10:11. And 30, 40 seconds later, boom. You going to keep trading after that? No. And be sure to watch our opening range breakout strategy trade, as here's the results from this today. 2 NQ trades, 400, 286, 500 on the ES. Great day trading with that bot. And then here's another trade on the ES, and market's starting to trend up here. We had a smaller profit target here. Got out early. Must have been a bad tick or something. Didn't get much on this, so we missed this whole damn run. And then it goes short here, gets a little bit of profit, and then a stop, and then along here gets kind of whacked, and the second one hits its profit target. And then we get a short, and we had an 830 goal, and we just took the 600. I was tired of the chop. And after 11, no need to trade with the ES. We did have one more trade on the ES earlier. Let me find that chart. And again, a lot of these trades I didn't take screenshots because NQ was flying, and I didn't want to miss anything on, like I did yesterday. Yeah, I thought there was one more ES trade, but there's not. This is a trade that we did in the afternoon here after 2 on the NQ. Market's still moving nicely on a Friday, so we started a bot. Got a little short here, then a long, then another short. And then the market kind of gets choppy here, and then a short and a long. Oh, yeah. So that was the end of this trade here, and we got 622 on it, so we called it a day. Hit the gym, and then lit the barbecue and barbecued dinner for the evening. So this video went a little long, a lot to cover, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some tips, learned something. If so, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video. Follow us here on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, and we'll see you next week.